Hi, this is Sharon Lim from sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, here to show you a quick tutorial on this corner flip card. Let's get started. You're going to start with a piece of Whisper White that is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. You need to make a template, and the easiest way to do that is to mark a piece of cardstock at 2 3/4 by 3.5 and then cut it out. You're going to use that template today. So you just line it up against the fold. Use your bone folder to make the mark. Then you're going to fold along the score, front and backwards. Then you're going to fold it in and then use your bone folder to make a nice crease so it looks like this. Then you're going to take 2 pieces of cardstock Highland Heather and Gorgeous Grape that is 5 1/4 by 4. You're going to use your template again and use a pencil and mark that corner. Bring your cutter over and you're going to cut. And you can cut through both if you press a little hard. And then on this piece, you're going to turn it up, line it up against the 1/2 inch mark right here, and cut that off. You're not going to need this extra piece. Then you're going to bring your card back. And you're going to put some adhesive here. Here. Make sure I get it right to match. And that's the inside. I already pre-made these flowers. So what I do is I use a regular card to make sure that it'll fit in the envelope, so it won't stick out too much. And then a dimensional for the top one. Oops. Need a little more adhesive. And then I use the Highland Gorgeous Grape. For the sentiment. And there you go. So here's one I did. Here's another one. And another one. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for letting me share this with you. And I'll talk to you again later. Bye.